So here we have the Volvo XC60 R-Design Lux Nav on a 17 plate. And we'll start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you'll see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. Okay, so the tailgate on this car opens electronically. You can either do that by pressing the hatch on the tailgate itself or with the button on the key just here. So give that a push and the tailgate will open electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we've got reversing sensors. This car's also got reversing camera, which I'll show you when we're inside the car, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the vehicle now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round and looks really nice in white as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get full leather seats. The driver's seat is 10-way electrically adjustable with 3 different memory settings as well. There's plenty of other bits to run through inside this car, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we've got the fuel gauge. On the far right-hand side, it will show you what gear the car is currently in. And then in the middle there, you can see the speedometer along with the digital readout for the total miles on this car, which are 4,887. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we've got cruise control, and on the right-hand side, stereo controls, as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you, without you having to take your phone out of your bag or pocket. Over in the centre here is the main stereo unit for the car. Now you can see we've got satellite navigation. This car's also got the reversing camera, so if I pop the car into reverse, you can see there we've got the colour image and the guidelines on the ground showing you which direction you're headed in relation to the image that you see before you. This car has also got the ability to play music via DAB radio as well as FM and AM. If we go to the radio section there, you can see we've got Radio 1 on there at the moment, but we've got FM, AM, DAB digital radio, a CD player, which is at the top of this section just here, as well as the ability to plug in an auxiliary and USB device and stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And the controls for all of that on this top section just here, including satellite navigation, your radio, media will be for the CD player, etc. Beneath that, we've got the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature on the left and right hand sides of the car independently. Whatever temperature you select will show up on here, so you know exactly what you're doing. Same with when you adjust the fan speed up and down as well. Fan speed is adjusted with this dial just here. You can then select where you'd like the air to blow with those 3 buttons. That will then turn the air conditioning on. If we put the fan speed on, that will turn the air conditioning on. Or you can, if you wish to, press auto, and the car will maintain the temperature by adjusting the fan speed itself. So it will take it up and down depending on the exterior temperature, and you override that just by readjusting the fan speed yourself. We've also got heated driver and passenger seats, and again, when they are on, it will show you up here, and there's 3 different temperature settings for those in total. We then have the fully automatic gearbox, the cup holders along with a 12-volt charging socket, and then all the way back in the centre armrest we've got the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.